Hey everyone, Charles here with Rocky Mountain ATV. Today I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on your late model KTM, Husqvarna or GasGas 450, 500 or 501 dirt bike. It's pretty simple to do. Let's get started. To get this done, we have our Tusk 4-stroke oil change kit. This comes with your choice of oil, the oil filter, the funnel, and the crush washer. You're also going to want to have a drain pan. I've got a measuring cup as well and contact cleaner to help clean everything up. Now, as far as tools go, I've got a 10 and 13 millimeter T-handle, some pliers, some snap ring pliers as well, and a 5 millimeter Allen, but your machine could vary a little bit depending what skid plate you have. I also have safety glasses, rubber gloves, and some rags. Run the bike for a couple minutes in a well-ventilated area to help warm the engine oil up and help it drain easier. Remove the skid plate. Clean around your drain plugs. Remove all 3 of them. So one drain plug in the back, one screen cover on the side, pull the screen out as well, and then one is coming up from the bottom. Now, 2 things to pay attention to. If the screen doesn't come out with it, you can use some needle nose pliers to help pull it out. And then you want to remove that crush washer as well. Now I'm going to remove the oil filter cover with the 8 millimeter T-handle and a pair of pliers. Sometimes these filters are stuck on, so this is where we're using the snap ring pliers. Once everything's drained out, you want to clean your sealing surfaces. Make sure that you clean up the screens as well with some contact cleaner as well as the drain plug. And then as we go back together, I'm applying a little bit of oil to all of the O-rings. While everything's draining, I'm going to measure out my oil. So this takes 1,200 milliliters. I've measured out 200, and I'm gonna dip my new filter in that. Now the manual will tell you to tip the bike and fill the oil filter housing 1/3 of the way full with oil. The reason for this is to get oil distributed as soon as possible on startup, but I found that dipping the oil filter is just a quick and easy way to make sure that that filter is primed and ready to go. Next, install the oil filter and cover. After that, we'll install the 2 screens, the cap bolts, and drain bolt. Once they're tight, I'm going to clean any excess oil off. Now I can reinstall my skid plate. Remove the oil fill cap. Then we'll pour in 1,200 milliliters for this bike, but always verify the spec on yours. Then you want to run the bike for about 3 minutes and let it sit, then double check the oil level in that sight glass. make sure it is at least halfway up to 3/4 of the way up in that window. That's it for changing out the oil on your late model KTM, Husqvarna, or GasGas 450, 500, or 501. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. If you need that oil change kit from Tusk, click the link in the description below or head over to our website. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.